If you are open to receiving a message, this is a connection reading. So we will be tapping into your energy and the person in your mind. So let's see, ano ba ang nangyayari between the two of you guys? Let's see, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the energy around our collective today? This is a collective reading, guys, so just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, we got justice and the nine of wands. Okay, I feel that you are waiting for something to happen. You are waiting for your justice to come, for the truth to come. So, etong nine of wands, sinasabi niya na malapit mo nang makuha to. Malapit malapit mo nang makamit yung truth and yung justice na deserve mo from this person in your mind. Pero you have to be persistent. You have to wait a little more. Konting hintay na lang. Don't give up. And now, okay, let's see kung ano naman yung energy ng person mo na naiisip mo right now. Okay, we got the Two of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. So, iniisip ka pa rin niya right now and naghihintay lang siya ng tamang pagkakataon para mag-reach out sa'yo. Ini-evaluate niya yung relationship niyo or yung connection niyo. Tinitingnan niya kung ano ba, parang kung ano yung growth ng relationship niyo or ng connection niyo. And iniisip ka pa rin niya and this connection, iniisip pa rin niya kung paano siya mag-move forward at naghihintay lang siya ng tamang panahon para lumapit sa'yo. Okay? You got the Ace of Swords. So, makukuha mo naman yung truth na hinihintay mo. Makukuha mo naman yung hinihintay mong information. Makukuha mo yung hinihintay mo na explanation kung bakit ito nangyari sa inyo. And for them, we got the Five of Pentacles. So, I feel that they are in isolation right now. Kaya siya medyo matagal yung paghihintay niya kasi um, he is not experiencing the best right now. So, feeling feeling ko, they are, kung sino man yung nasa isip mo right now, they are struggling. May mga pinagdadaanan sila right now na mahirap, kaya hindi pa sila message or makapag-reach out sa'yo ngayon. Pero malalaman mo naman yan lahat. You will get the breakthrough, the, the new information na hinihintay mo from them. So what's the outcome of this connection? So we got the Six of Wands. So this is success. This is victory. Magiging masaya naman yung connection nyo, yung relationship nyo once na you got the clarity that you are waiting for and once na matapos na tong pinagdadaanan nila na mabigat. You just have to stay patient kasi they are also trying to get to you the quickest that they can. Pero yun nga, konting hintay pa, malapit ka na sa yung clarity, malapit na ito lahat mag-unfold sa'yo. Ayan. If this message resonated with you, ayan, let me know in the comments. And ayun nga, just a reminder that this is an energy collective reading. So this is the current energy mo and nung person na nasa isip mo right now. Ayan. Have a good weekend and ayun, kapit lang.